Welcome to my channel. My name is London and today I want to do something dramatic and Christmassy. So let's get into it. I kind of know what I want to do, but I kind of don't know what I want to do. But I have the Fenty Galaxy palette. It is so freaking pretty. I also want to use the Jeffree Star Equality liquid lipstick set. There are those. Going to be taking the matchstick in linen, putting this all over my eyes. And I don't want to do my foundation because I know it'll get everywhere. So I'm just gonna start off with the concealer around my eye, real messy like, and then just blend it out. And then I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer on top of that. Now I'm just gonna be taking a skin tone colored eyeshadow and setting my brow bone, but nothing else. I want everything else to be stickier. And then from the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette, I'm going to take cumin, get it, and saffron. Mixing those two and then putting it higher into my crease. So from the Jeffree Star Equality set, I'm going to be taking Equality and redrum on the back of my hand. And with Equality, I'm just going to take an angled brush and just getting a little bit and just kind of messily making lines. So just kind of gotta look down, make sure it dries. Doing the same thing with redrum, kind of just placing it wherever. I cannot figure out the shade names for this one, but I'm taking the green and the red shade while these are still kind of wet. And just with my finger, I'm just going to be kind of lightly patting. Really messily. And you want to be sure to wipe your finger off afterwards because the liquid lipsticks are still kind of wet. So you don't want to mix them too much. So now I'm just gonna line my lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of the redrum on a smaller brush and putting this underneath my lash line. And then taking saffron from the Moroccan Spice palette and just blending that out. Now taking the Fenty Galaxy palette and taking this gold shade with the green glitters in the corner here. And then I just put a little bit of red eyeliner in my waterline and then move on to the face. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I did my brows, foundation, and a little bit of bronzer off camera. Now I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star King Tut highlighter and I'm going to be putting this right on top of my bronzer. I want this to be super glowy. And then I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in How Many Carats. Alright, so I have my eyelashes on and the glue is still drying on this one. I had some trouble with this one. I'm not used to wearing lashes anymore. But I'm going to take the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in redrum. And this is the completed look. I don't really know what to call this. It's like a Christmas explosion on my eyeballs. I wanted to do a Christmas look and I haven't done one yet, but I really like how this turned out. I think it'll look super cool. Alright, and this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video of a little avant-garde like Christmas look. don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button if you are ready for Christmas. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.